Hello everyone, today I have a Chanel unboxing. Let's see what it is. I've been eyeing this bag since it was released for a while, but I didn't buy it for various reasons previously. And this time when I saw Chanel reissued it, I bought it. Let's see which one I bought. What's inside here? Oh, this is the cloth for cleaning the bag. And there's nothing inside, so let's remove the box. Ready? Let's see which one it is. Wow, it's really tiny and they package it so well. Let me open it up like this. Alright, here we go. So this is a bag. It's the backpack from the 23S collection. I think this one is the reissue of the previous Urban Spirit. The reason I wanted to buy it is because it's made of caviar. All the previous Urban Spirit was made of lambskin. And this bag comes in two sizes, a large one and a small one, and I bought the small one. It looks big on camera, but it's actually very small. I didn't see the actual bag in store. I bought it and the sales associate shipped it to me. When I received it, it felt tiny. It's about the size of my hand. You can see it's very small, so the large size is not that big either. Now let's take a look at the bag. This is the side, this is the back, and the shoulder straps, and this is a serial number. A very small bag at the back. It will not fit a phone. Well, if you put it upright, it might, but horizontally it won't fit. It should fit some small cards. Now let's open it up and take a look inside. So here is the pull string. You can just pull it down to open the bag. Let me take this out. So inside there's a large compartment, nothing inside. Here's the chip, so I'm not going to show it. Here's a small compartment and there's another one behind it, and there's also a zipped pocket. Although it may look small, it can actually fit quite a lot. I'll show you what I can fit inside later. So a couple differences compared to the previous Urban Spirit. First is what I already mentioned, so this is in lambskin. And another thing is this chain, so it won't move. The previous Urban Spirit, when you pull the straps, the chain on the front will actually retract. Now they made a design change. When you wear it, the chain doesn't move, it stays in place. So I think it looks really good this way. Now let's talk about the straps. So the straps are adjustable. Mine is at the shortest position right now, and there are additional holes. So there are 5 different lengths in total. You can adjust it according to your height. Now let me show you what can fit inside. I have some things here that I usually take with me when going out, like my everyday essentials. Here I have a normal sized bottle of water. It can fit inside, there's no problem closing it, but usually I don't carry such a large bottle of water, so let's take it out first. Let's start with the essential items. So this is an old phone I found. It's an iPhone 8 Plus. It should be similar in size to the iPhone 14 Pro. Let's see if it fits here. Okay, so it does, and no problem closing it. And then here I have my passport holder. I want to see if it can fit in the zipped compartment. Looks like it doesn't fit. But the passport is much smaller, so I'm pretty sure you can fit your passport inside of it. So now let's take a look at my wallet. It's stuffed. I put all my cards inside. Usually I don't carry that many cards. And then this is my key pouch, which I carry every day, so it fits in well. I usually carry a pack of tissue. Here's the bottle of mouthwash. This is a hand sanitizer. Here's my perfume. I have a compact powder. I have a lippy. So they all fit in with no problems. And here's my hand cream. So this is my sunglass. I just put it in a random pouch. Okay, so let me rearrange it a little bit. I also brought a large wallet. I don't use this anymore. I don't think many people do, but I want to show you. I can't fit it in right now, but if I take out the tissue, it will fit. So everything I usually carry fits inside. And I often keep my phone in my hand, so I wouldn't usually put it inside the pocket here. But everything I usually need, like my sunglasses, my key pouch, my wallet, would fit inside. As you can see, there's still plenty of space on the top. So if you want to, you can put a thin sweater here, or if you want to pack a foldable hat or small bottle of water, even a small umbrella should also fit. Alright, let's close it up and see. There shouldn't be any problems. Yes, it closed up nicely. It doesn't feel bulging anywhere, and if you squeeze it, you will feel that there's still plenty of empty spaces. So, like I said, even though it's a tiny bag, it can actually fit quite a lot. Most of the things that you will need for daily use will fit. And it looks very nice. I really like that it's a light bag. Even when it's full, it's not very heavy. Of course, it's not as light as the Goyard bag because it's made of leather, but it's definitely not a heavy bag. And given its size, it won't be heavy anyways. Okay, now let me show you how it looks on me. I'm 5'5" for your reference, and this is how it looks when carried by hand. It's very convenient. You can hold it in your hand and you can wrap it around your arm. It looks very sophisticated. Then you can wear it with both straps on one side. I think it looks great with casual outfits. And of course, the last way to wear it is as a regular backpack. It frees up your hands and I think it looks very cute. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.